Okay, so here is today's job. This is completely overgrown. There's actually a septic tank in here, and there's this big elderberry or boar tree that's sticking up as well. Need to try and get it out. It shouldn't be in there. Let's get cracking. Down. I want to bring this down to about that height. So wow. Do you see this? I don't know how well this is going to pick up on the camera, but if you look away in there, you can actually see a trunk, and that's that elderberry. Yeah, if I could get that cut away down in there, the bottom, the light and everything should have it killed. Obviously what's been happening, you can see when you look in here, top. It's a lovely smell with him. See all these cut marks where they've just trimmed it every year, so it's just got thicker and thicker and thicker. If I can get that out at the bottom, that should pretty much remove this. Love these split shaft combi systems where you use one engine to do a stack of different things. So my hedge cutter is now a pole saw. Bit of wood, that's my tip. That's a big weed. So a big part of the reason for doing this is the septic tank is in here. So there's a manhole in here somewhere that we need to find. Now it's time to break out the big guns. It's KM130. Okay folks, that's this bit of the job finished here anyway. The main thing to do is just to get these two bushes. Wasn't so much worried about getting the real shape into them, you know, but you know, it was all about getting access to get in to see those two manholes. I'm going to give those a bit of a blow just to leave it really nice and clear. So I am just gonna run around here. I'm just gonna get the grass. You can see I just started cutting the grass here. Serious moss. but nothing I can really do about that, certainly not today anyway. And I've still got to come back, do this hedge way on up here. That'll be hopefully the next visit, but the customer rang me and just asked if I could prioritise this and get access to the septic tank. So let's go on and get the grass cut, and I'll check in with you in a minute whenever I've given that blown, and we'll just do a few final shots. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next one.